Got some good news and some bad news, everyone. The bad news is sadly this is officially the last week of summer, but the good news, it's Brawl Stars Wednesday. Let's end the summer with a bang and draw a Summer Pam from Brawl Stars. Now the first thing I'm going to do is start at the very top of our page and draw a large circle for the center of the hair. So let's start at the very top. Just going to work our way around towards the left side. And just bring that down towards the middle. And then work our way around the right. Going out, up, and we're just going to bend that in. And then we'll add some texture to the hair. Starting at the bottom left, it's going to go up, and we'll bend that out towards the side. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Going up, and then bending that out. Now with the center of the hair in place, we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the glasses. Starting from the bottom of our circle, we're going to step down, start with a straight line going across. And then from the outside, we'll curve the top of the glasses going up and out towards the side. So with the left side going up, and then bending that out. Now I'm going to go back to the center and add a curve. We're going to start back on the left, curve up, and then down. Let's connect the outside corner of the glasses to the inside. Starting on the left, start by coming straight down, round out the glasses, and then just come up on the inside. And then we'll trace the frames along the inside. Starting at the top left, it's going to follow the same curve, coming in and down. And then we're going to round up the outside. It's going around, down across the bottom. I'm going to pull that up on the inside. I just want to round this out. Now the eyebrows are going to get tucked in behind the top of the glasses. Let's start on the left. Start with a short line going up and in on both sides. And then from the top we'll angle up and out. And it will come down and in behind the glasses. Let's fill in the eyebrows. And then we'll move to the center and draw on the nose. Let's start on the left side. Start with a curve coming down, and then up. And we'll step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to shift the mouth over towards the right side. So underneath the nose on the left, we'll step down. Start by going out, and then we'll bend the mouth going up towards the right corner. Let's move to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. From the glasses, we'll curve out, round out the cheek, come down and in towards the middle, then we'll go up and out towards the right, and then pull that back in. Let's continue the curve of the head up above the glasses. So we're going to start up here, curve up and in behind that center piece of hair. Let's go out to the side and draw in the hair. Starting on the left side, curve the hair going out, come down. I'm just going to pull that in towards the side of the head. Line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's tuck the ears along the side. Starting back on the left, round out the ear, come down, and then in. Now we're going to go down towards the bottom of the hair, curve the fold of the ear going up and then out on both sides. And then at the bottom of the earlobe, we'll add a small circle for the earring. Let's add the hairband along the side. From the ear, we're going to step up, curve out, up, and then bend that in. We'll line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. And we'll draw the ends of the hairband. Starting from the top, curve out, and then bend that up on both sides. And then from the end, we'll curve up, and then down in behind the hair. Let's add a fold in the center, in between the bottom and top. Start on the side of the head, curve up, and then out, just aiming towards that point. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then from the top of the body, we're going to curve in, and then down towards the middle, then go back up and out towards the right. Now we're going to line up with the side of the hips, move to the center, and draw on the knot. We're going to start with the top, curving up, and then down. Come down the sides with a straight line, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve coming down and then up. Let's go up to the top corners, curve out, and then down. And we'll pull that in and up towards the bottom corner of the knot. Let's go back out to the hips and draw the bottom of the belt. We're going to start on the left, curve down and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the left side, we're going to step back up and draw that same curve going back in. Let's continue working down with the legs. From that knot, we're going to step down, draw a curve. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then up, leaving a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, we'll curve the foot coming down and then up towards the toe. And then we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the sandal. Starting from the outside, let's start with a short line going up. And we want to trace that same curve coming across and then back in towards the heel. Let's go to the outside of the top corner. We're going to curve the top of the foot going up. It's going to bend that down towards the bottom, just on the inside of the heel. And then we'll draw the outside of the strap. Starting from the top of the foot, curve in and then down. Let's separate out the toes. On the outside, we'll step in. Start with a short curve going up and then in, move in and draw that twice. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, down. Now we're just going to pull that in on top of the foot. And now we'll draw on the bottom of the shorts. We're going to start on the outside, curve down, and then in towards the inside of the leg. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. Now we're going to go back and add some polka dots along the top and bottom. So we're going to start on the top left, just add some random circles all the way around the body. We're going to add a half on the side, and then just work our way across towards the right side. Add a half along the top, on the side of the body. Now we'll add some polka dots along the bottom. Let's start on the left hip, add a half on the side of the leg, add a few more. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left. Start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb. And then at the end of the thumb, we'll add a small bracket. Let's add in 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve down, and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down, and then up the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round out the arm, and go up and in behind the head. And we'll add a simple sun tattoo on the top of the arm. Start at the top, draw a half circle, coming in, and then back out. And then we'll add the outside. Starting from the outside here, come down, go back up. We're just going to work our way around that half circle. Then we'll add half the sunglasses. Starting on the outside, come down and in. Connect the top and bottom with a half circle, and then fill that in. Now the arm on the right is going to be flexing. So from the top of the body, we'll step out, curve out, and then up towards the wrist. And then we'll fold around the thumb. Starting up here, curve in and up, come down, round out the thumb, and then go back up. Let's add the palm. Starting from the inside of the thumb, curve out, and then down. Now layer 3 fingers in behind. We'll start at the very top, in behind the thumb, we'll draw a half oval, going up, and then back in. Now on the outside, do it again. We're going to go out, down, and then tuck this in behind the thumb. Let's do that one more time. And then from the outside of the last finger, we're going to curve the hand coming down. I'll just bend that in. From the inside of the hand, we'll step out, curve the arm coming down, round out the arm, and pull that in behind the body. And that's pretty much it. There's Summer Pam from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.